dog is drinking water. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hello, friends, again. Once again, I would like to I would like to show you my refrigerator. What's in your refrigerator? Well, let's go find out. And cabinets. This is my refrigerator. We open it up, and over here we have honey mustard, bacon ranch, and all your different dressings and syrups and jam and waters and milk in the same, and more water. And we have your eggs and a mango and some bread and butter, ham and turkey and cheese. Those are some of my favorite. We have your vegetables and carrots, cucumbers, and lemonade. That's what is in my refrigerator. On top of the refrigerator, we have cereals. And those are not all the cereals. I do enjoy cereal very much. Okay, here's some more cereals. We have taco kits and Rotel. Rotel is fantastic. And I have Jello pudding to make a Jello cream pie. Crystal Light because it's delicious for you and super healthy. And now we have the unhealthy stuff. Oh, I just hit myself in the head. Nutella, spaghetti, and your carbs, sloppy joes, soup. Soup is very delicious and splendid if you get in the mood for soup, if you want to just stay warm. And then my favorite mug. Australian Shepherds. I do like this mug. It makes me happy. It reminds me of a dog I once had. And this is the fan. The fan is good for keeping you cool when you just get flustered and just need to cool down. So, I've tried out a new hairstyle today. Let me know if you like it. I forgot a little bit, but I think it's quite... This reminds me of the Lindsay Sterling look that she uses in her concert. So maybe I'll keep it like this. Alright, goodbye everyone, and thanks for joining me once again.